case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
Trustmark National Bank emerged victorious in a 2016 lawsuit brought about by C&C Investment Properties, a real estate company formed by Glenn and Charlotte Collins. The proceedings, heard by the United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit, centered around the concept that borrowers couldn't lean on an oral agreement with a failed bank as a defense mechanism against a federal receiver's collection efforts. The dispute was kindled when C&C Investment Properties defaulted on promissory notes held by Heritage Banking Group, which later fell into insolvency. The floundering bank's notes were transferred to Trustmark National Bank, and FDIC, Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, acted as the receiver. Trustmark, employing a prudent defense strategy, filed counterclaims against C&C, citing the powerful Section 1823E. Taking the matter to the district court, Trustmark underscored the authority of the Duhme doctrine and Section 1823, or E, which effectively preclude parties from utilizing oral agreements with failed banks as their defense shield against collection drives spearheaded by federal entities such as the FDIC. The narrative further complicated when C&C pointed to a side agreement with the beleaguered Heritage, contending that Heritage's failure to honor that agreement instigated their own default on the notes. The U.S. Court of Appeals, however, threw its weight behind Trustmark's argument. It upheld that Duhme doctrine and Section 1823, EE, created an insurmountable barrier for oral agreements to be used as a defense against FDIC collection attempts. It further ruled that Trustmark didn't forfeit its right of defense and had put forth its argument well within the accepted time limits. Taking a dim view of C&C's allegations regarding their side agreement with Heritage, the court stressed that the borrowers had not furnished any compelling evidence required under Section 1823E. In light of these circumstances, the district court's original judgment found affirmation in the eyes of the appellate court.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit L.L.C.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.